Hey guys, this is Zero Clan. We're a new clan on like all the CODs. We like trick shotting, quick scoping, feeding, as you can see on the screen right now, because this is not actually us, this is just some random people we chose because I just needed a quick talk about the clan, introduction and everything. So yeah, if you would like to join or anything, just check out the description. I'll leave the leaders and the co-leaders in the names of them in the description. This clan is for PS3. We are called Xero. I know it sounds a bit weird, but yeah, we are Xero. And hope you like this video. Enjoy the rest of the video. I'll talk to you guys later.
It's been shitty, and I feel awkward as I should. This club has got to be the most pretentious thing since I thought you and me. Well, I am imagining a dark lit place, or your place, or my place. Well, I'm not paralyzed, but I seem to be struck by you. I wanna make you move because you're standing still. If your body matches what your eyes can do, you'll probably move right through me on my way to you. I hold out for one more drink before I think I'm looking too desperately, but so far has not been fun. I should just stay home. If one thing really means one, this club will hopefully